Hi, we are the Vegas twins, and here we discuss all things Las Vegas. Today we are going to discuss 5 myths about Las Vegas. Let's get started. Myth number 1 is the belief that Las Vegas is solely about extravagant spending. While it's true that Las Vegas is renowned for its luxurious resorts, extravagant shows, and opulent casinos, it offers a diverse array of experiences beyond the glitz and glamour. Beneath the surface, Las Vegas hides a multitude of treasures for every type of traveler. The city boasts a rich cultural scene, with world-class art galleries, museums, and exhibitions that cater to all artistic tastes. From the stunning neon lights of the Neon Museum to the thought-provoking exhibits at the Mob Museum, there is something for everyone to explore and enjoy. Moreover, Las Vegas serves as a gateway to breathtaking natural wonders. Just a short drive away, the magnificent landscapes of Red Rock Canyon, Valley of Fire State Park, and the Grand Canyon beckon adventure enthusiasts and nature lovers. Hiking, rock climbing, and even helicopter tours offer opportunities to immerse oneself in the awe-inspiring beauty of the surrounding desert. So, don't be fooled by the myth that Las Vegas is solely about extravagant spending. It's a vibrant city that offers an abundance of experiences beyond the high-rolling lifestyle.
Myth number 2 is the misconception that everyone in Las Vegas works in the entertainment industry. While it's true that Las Vegas is renowned for its world-class shows and performances, the city's economy extends far beyond the glitz and glamour of the stage. Las Vegas is a thriving metropolis with a diverse range of industries. From the bustling hospitality sector that caters to millions of tourists, to the flourishing technology and finance sectors, the city offers a multitude of job opportunities. It is home to major corporations, thriving small businesses, and a growing entrepreneurial ecosystem. While entertainers and performers play a significant role in the city's cultural fabric, they represent just one segment of the vibrant workforce. Las Vegas boasts a diverse and dynamic economy, providing employment opportunities for people across various sectors, making it a city where dreams can come true in more ways than one.
Myth number 3 is the notion that Las Vegas is a dangerous city. While it is important to acknowledge that there have been some recent upticks in crime rates following the challenges brought about by the pandemic, it is essential to provide a balanced perspective. Overall, Las Vegas remains a relatively safe city for residents and tourists alike. The local law enforcement agencies are committed to maintaining public safety and have implemented various measures to ensure the well-being of the community. The city is also equipped with extensive surveillance systems and security personnel in key areas, adding an extra layer of protection. Moreover, Las Vegas continues to attract millions of visitors each year, and most people can enjoy their time without encountering any safety concerns. It is always advisable to exercise caution and be mindful of personal belongings, as with any major tourist destination. While no city is entirely immune to crime, it is important not to let the myth overshadow the fact that Las Vegas remains a generally safe city to explore and enjoy its myriad attractions.
Myth number 4 is the belief that Las Vegas is always scorching hot. While Las Vegas is indeed located in the desert and experiences hot summers, the idea that it is relentlessly blistering throughout the year is an exaggeration. Las Vegas does have a desert climate, which means it can get extremely hot during the summer months, with temperatures often surpassing 100 degrees Fahrenheit, 38 degrees Celsius. However, the city also experiences mild winters, making it a popular destination for snowbirds seeking a break from colder regions. Winter temperatures in Las Vegas typically range from the 40s to the 60s Fahrenheit, 4 to 15 degrees Celsius, providing a pleasant and comfortable environment for outdoor activities. Furthermore, spring and fall in Las Vegas offer temperate weather, with temperatures ranging from the 70s to the 80s Fahrenheit, 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. These seasons are ideal for exploring the city's attractions, taking in the vibrant nightlife, and enjoying outdoor events. So, while Las Vegas may have scorching summers, it is important to recognize the milder temperatures experienced during the other seasons, making it a year-round destination with varying climates suitable for diverse preferences.
Before we move on to our final myth, please remember to check our links in the description for deals on Vegas.com, airfare, and much more. Okay, myth number 5 is the common misconception that Las Vegas is solely about gambling. As avid explorers of the city ourselves, The Vegas Twins YouTube channel aims to dispel this myth and shed light on the true essence of Las Vegas. While gambling is undoubtedly an integral part of the experience, our focus lies on the vibrant pool scene and electrifying nightlife that make this city truly unforgettable. Las Vegas is renowned for its iconic pool parties, offering a unique fusion of relaxation, music, and vibrant energy. From extravagant day clubs featuring world-class DJs to serene oasis-like pools where you can unwind under the desert sun, there is a pool experience to suit every preference. When the sun sets, Las Vegas transforms into a haven of excitement and entertainment. The city boasts a dynamic nightlife with an array of nightclubs, lounges, and bars catering to diverse tastes. Whether you prefer dancing the night away at a high-energy nightclub or enjoying craft cocktails in a sophisticated lounge, Las Vegas has it all. You can also immerse yourself in captivating shows featuring world-class performers, from dazzling Cirque du Soleil spectacles to mesmerizing concerts by music icons. Indulge in culinary delights at award-winning restaurants helmed by celebrity chefs, where delectable flavors and exquisite presentations tantalize the senses. Explore the city's thriving shopping scene, from luxury boutiques to sprawling malls, where you can find the latest fashion trends and unique treasures. For thrill seekers, Las Vegas offers exhilarating experiences, from heart-pounding thrill rides to outdoor adventures in the stunning surrounding landscapes. Whether you seek entertainment, fine dining, shopping, or adrenaline-pumping adventures, Las Vegas has it all and more. Discover the vibrant and diverse side of this iconic city, where every moment is filled with excitement and endless possibilities.
In conclusion, we hope that debunking these 5 myths about Las Vegas has provided you with a clearer understanding of this dynamic city. While seasoned Vegas travelers may already be familiar with these truths, we encourage them to share their additional insights and tips in the comments below. For new travelers, we hope that this information helps you navigate and appreciate the diverse experiences Las Vegas has to offer beyond its stereotypes. To stay updated with more Vegas insights and travel tips, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Happy exploring, and may your Las Vegas adventures be filled with excitement, wonder, and unforgettable memories.